Hey everyone, today we are diving into why learning information technology is so essential. First off, understanding IT basics can make a huge difference in your daily life. Let's say you're looking to buy or upgrade a computer. You need to know what's inside it, right? Things like memory, CPU, and processing speed, these aren't just technical terms. They help you make smart choices. Same goes for buying a smartphone. Before you buy, you'll want to check out the storage, memory, CPU, and camera quality, right? For some, the camera resolution is crucial, while others care more about app speed or internet performance. All these elements are part of basic IT knowledge. Now, let's talk about the workplace. No matter what field you are in, IT knowledge is invaluable. For instance, if you work in healthcare, you have likely seen advanced machines like MRI or CT scanners. Doctors and technicians rely on these machines to generate important reports. And while technicians may handle the specifics, understanding how these machines work is essential for any doctor. In finance, IT knowledge can be a lifesaver. Imagine managing multi-million-dollar balance sheets and suddenly your computer crashes. Knowing basic IT skills can help you troubleshoot and save valuable time and, of course, money. Then there's the career path aspect. Whether you are a fresh graduate or looking to change fields, IT offers endless opportunities. A solid IT foundation lets you explore roles across industries, and this course will help you master the essentials from the ground up. For those already in another field and considering a switch, IT can be best new direction. Thinking of starting a business? It is a must know. You'll need to understand systems like point of scale, HR applications, accounting softwares, timesheets, and more. Whether you manage it locally or through the cloud, knowing terms like cloud hosting and local storage will guide your decisions. And let's not forget the side hustle potential. Once you hone your IT skills, there are tons of freelance opportunities. Companies and individuals constantly look for freelancers for short term projects. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr let you showcase your skills, allowing you to earn extra income alongside your main job. So, as you grow in IT and build specific expertise, you are setting yourself up for both a rewarding career and flexible income streams through freelance gigs.